Hey guys, welcome back to another Swift programming logic tutorial. So in this tutorial I'm going to be talking about sets, what they are in Swift and how they are very useful. So sets are actually quite close to arrays, like they're really similar to arrays, but the one key difference is that they have the values in them can't be repeated. So if for in an array you can have like as many of one value as you want, but in a set it can only be once and that's it. And they're also very useful for just finding out, like, if you want to navigate through them. It's quite easy when it's a set, but it's a bit more complex than arrays. So to create a set, all you have to do is var person set is equal to set, and then like an array you would do you would specify what it is here. For a set you just do this, and then you specify what's going to be inside of it, like this. So for us it's going to be a set of strings in the person set, and you just initialize it like that. And now what you can do is that's how you initialize it usually. Now if you wanted to add some variables to it, you can do person set is equal to person 1 and person 2, and that could be what, or you could just do it like this. So the exact same way you would initialize an array. Just get rid of that, like that, is equal to. Now if we try and print this, print person set, it should just print the same way an array prints. What is the problem? Okay, maybe I should just leave it like this. So I'll just person set is equal to like that. So you have to initialize it here, and then you can set your variables, set your values there, and we'll run this, and it should just print like a usual array, print these two persons. I'm not sure why this is taking so long, but it should be done soon, I believe. Why is this taking so long? Let me try and restart it. Oh, build failed. What is this? I've got no idea what this error is. Oh, now, okay then. So let's just go to simulator, wait for it to load, and we should see the set in the console like an array. And yeah, here it is. So you might notice that this comes after this, and that's simply because this was added and then this was added, so it actually inserts it at the start. Now the thing I was talking about sets is that if you want to insert more of the same value, so let's say if we try to put person 2 here again, I think this might throw an error now because it's got 2 of the same values. Let's see. And yeah, you can see we tried to initiate it here with 2 person 2, but then when we went to print it, it only gave us 1 person 1 and 1 person 2. And to add things to a set, you do set.insert, and then we can add in person 3. So what this does is it's like the append feature of a list, except it checks if there's let me print it after we've put it in. So it checks if that item already exists in the set. If it does, then it won't add it in. And yeah, there you can see it's gone to the start. And now it also has the same features of an array, so it has .count, .capacity, which is like how many it can have. So that's another thing. A set also has you can set how much capacity it can have. So if you go here, we set it with a minimum capacity, and that's how many. So if you set this as minimum capacity 5, then when it prints, oh, let me. Then it hasn't printed, but basically it will have some spaces left, and then it won't allow you to. It will have 5 spaces allocated, and sets are another way of saving down processing space so that you can allocate how much you want. So yeah, and you remove things the same way. And yeah, now you can also check if the set is empty, but that's like the same for it lists. And there was also one way of checking if if a certain element exists in a set. I'm just trying to remember it. So I think it was something like dot contains, and then yeah, it's dot contains. So yeah, and then I think if I type this in, it'll give me a bool dot contains, like that. I think it returns a bool the same way an array does. And yeah, but if we give person 4, you get it, it just doesn't work. So yeah, sets are just another version of arrays, but if you want to make sure there aren't any duplicates, then you'd rather use sets rather than arrays. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in a future tutorial. Bye!